because you get free Spotify with Spark accounts. I'm going to set it up here right now and set this up with confirmation code and just enter that in here. Yeah. I've already got a Spotify account, right? And I don't want to lose that. So I'm hoping I can just go log into Spotify like that. So it's got my details, remembers me. Connect to Spark account, activate Spotify with premium here. We'll be able to receive Spotify account data. Okay. So essentially you go through and thankfully it looks like you can log in to your account instead of having to create a new one and deactivate your old one and lose all your playlists. So I think you just have to do that. Nearly there. We'll process your order now. Please click next and give us a few moments. Cancel Spotify payment. What's this? As you have an existing... here we go. You'll to cancel this before you can look your... Oh. Yeah. Click cancel subscription below to get started. Looks like they've thought of it, which is really handy. Click cancel subscription below to get started. We'll send you off to Spotify where you need to complete the cancellation process. Under subscription, click change or cancel. Click cancel. Spotify asks you if you're sure you want to cancel. Click yes, cancel. Click cancel. Once you've completed cancellation, you're done. Spotify Premium will link to Spark. Okay, cancel. I would have thought it'd be change, but alright. Cancel Premium. Are you sure you want to cancel Premium subscription? Yes. You think I'll subscribe to Spotify Premium again in future? Extremely likely. Unlikely to direct Spotify a friend. Extremely likely. Why do you cancel your subscription? I can't afford it anymore. No, I disagree. It's actually a reasonable fee you charge. Why do you cancel your subscription? Frustrating. No. Someone disagree. Sometimes it can be quite frustrating to use. Why did you cancel your subscription? It doesn't have the features I want. No, strongly disagree. And cancel subscription. It doesn't have music I want. No, it has everything I typically want. Why did you cancel your subscription? I don't use enough. Strong enough to use it almost on a daily basis. What's the main way you listen to music now? Still be that one. It's essentially got free premium service through Spark. Cool.